Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Super General brand front loader washing machine 7 kg. The having problem with the machine. When we start the machine, it's automatically selecting itself programs and all the lights are blinking. Let's see what is the problem exactly. Now I'm switching on machine power and I'm keeping direct spin, and we will start the machine, and it's not closing door also, and start post button also not working. We cannot start the machine. Delay start and start post button, both buttons are blinking. It's remaining time showing 9 minutes. Now again all the buttons are blinking. Now see itself changing programs. See, this is the problem. We will try to troubleshoot the problem, and we have to repair this machine. Now all the lights are blinking, and remaining time showing 1 hour 18 minutes. Now this is the fault. We will try to repair now. I will show you how to repair this machine. Now we have to remove the power control box. Because of that, we have to disconnect the power line first, and we will disconnect the power line, and we have to remove the top cover. Remove top cover. And machine already got rusty here. It's rusted. We have to remove the rust also. Now we remove the detergent drawer, and here screws. Here one screw, two. And now we have to take it out, power control box, and here screws. We have to remove the screws, and we have to take it out. This is the main control board. We will try with the selector switch. After replacing selector switch, we can repair control board. This is the selector switch. This one defect. Because of that, we cannot select the programs. After changing, we will try to repair this one. Now we are going to remove the selector switch from the board. we remove already selector switch, which is defect one. Now I'm going to fix another one. It's working, new one. This one we are going to fix. Now we replace this selector switch. Now we are going to fix to the control board cover, and we will check it is working or not. It should work properly. Anyway, we will fix and check. Okay, now we will fix the board fix. We are going to fix to the front panel. This one we have to check properly because should be the proper angle. While we are fixing these screws, we have to use a screwdriver by hand only, because don't use the machines. It will chance to break the panel. Now we are connecting all the connectors to the PCB.
ఇక్కడ బాగుంది సార్.
Yeah, it's already power came because now anyway I will close the power again and I will go for the direct spin and it's showing 9 minutes and at same delay start and start pause blinking. Now I'm pressing start pause button. Yes, it's door lock. Yes, machine is running. Drain also start. Drain motor also starting. Now motor rotating. Drum also start to rotating. Now it's not selecting itself automatically, not selecting. It is stable. Now it's remaining 1 minute. It came down. Now it's showing 8 minutes remaining time. Now I should start increase the RPM. Let's see. Now it's increasing RPM. Yes, now 100% okay machine. Nothing to worry. After fixing everything, we can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. Kindly subscribe and share. Send me a comment. Thank you very much again.